लास्ट लेक्चर हुआ विच यू रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस। ठीक है, टुडेज टॉपिक इज बिरला जोन्स। क्या है बिरला जोन्स? अकॉर्डिंग टू Cronin and Penny models, according to Cronin and Penny models, in one dimension lattice with wave vectors capital K is equal to n into pi by a, n into pi by a, where n is positive or negative, where n is positive or negative. In one dimension monoatomic lattice, a line representing the values of k, divided by the energy discontinuous with segment of length pi by a, as shown in figure. We draw the figures. Suppose in one dimension lattice with wave vectors k, one dimension, you have to represent in the line. Suppose this is the origin, k, segment of length pi by a, means this is a plus pi by a plus 2 pi by a plus 3 pi by a, and this is a minus pi by a minus 2 pi by a minus 3 pi by a. You know that wave traveling in x direction, incident wave along x axis can be reflected back in opposite direction. ठीक है, incident wave traveling in particular direction reflected back, which direction? Opposite direction. Therefore you know that segment of length pi by a, this direction, and reflected back in opposite direction, means this segment of length plus pi by and minus pi by, this is the first Birla zones. First Birla zones means capital K is equal to plus minus pi by a is a Bragg condition, means wave traveling in one direction can be reflected back and then opposite direction. It's a particular condition, is a Bragg condition, capital K u plus minus pi by a. ठीक है, this is the first Birla zones with, this is k space, means k particular line you have to draw. This line is plus pi by a to minus pi by a. This is the first Birla zones. ठीक है, then segment of lines capital K is equal to plus minus pi by a is the condition. Segment of line with k space means plus pi by a, reflection means reflection हो रहा है ना, reflection back, reflected back with opposite direction, means plus pi by a and minus pi by a. In case space, in case space, therefore फर्स्ट बिरला जोन कंडीशन क्या होगा, प्लस पाई बाय ए लेस देन और इक्वल टू के लेस देन और इक्वल टू माइनस पाई बाय ए इज द फर्स्ट बिरला जोन्स, इज फर्स्ट बिरला जोन्स. ठीक है, दिस कंडीशन प्लस पाई बाय less than or equal to less than or equal to minus pi by a is the first Birla zones. Then second Birla zones, उसकी कंडीशन क्या है, minus pi by minus 2 pi by a second Birla zone के लिए second Birla zones वही होगा रिफ्लेक्शन और back in opposite direction. In case space means condition is capital K is equal to plus minus 2 pi by a second Birla zone के लिए. ठीक है, this is the first Birla zone and this is the second Birla zone. Means in case space, therefore minus 2 pi by a and minus pi by a and plus pi by a plus 2 pi by a. This is a second Birla zones. आप कैसे लिखेंगे फिर, इन केस स्पेस मींस यहां पे शो होगा माइनस पाई बाय ए टू माइनस 2 pi by a second Birla zone and this is the plus 2 pi by a to plus pi by a, also this is the second Birla zone. Means in case space minus 2 pi by a less than or equal to k less than or equal to minus pi by a and plus pi by a less than or equal to k less than or equal to plus 2 pi by a. This is the condition for second Birla zones in case space. Means यहाँ पे देखो ये फर्स्ट Birla zone हो गया और ये यहाँ से ये वाली कंडीशन सेकंड Birla zones और यहाँ पे इधर ये वाली कंडीशन प्लस 2 pi by a to plus pi by a. This is the second Birla zones. Means finally we draw the diagrams. You have to remember capital K is equal to plus minus pi by a is the first Birla zones and capital K is equal to plus minus 2 pi by a is the second Birla zones. First Birla zones and this is the second Birla zones. ठीक है, now draw the diagrams. Energy in electron volts in K space. ठीक है, energy E in electron volts. This is the origin and this is the K line, K space. यहाँ पे ये वाला पॉइंट और ये वाला पॉइंट, इधर ये वाला पॉइंट, ये वाला पॉइंट और ये वाला पॉइंट. ये क्या है, प्लस पाई बाय ए प्लस 2 pi by a and plus 3 pi by a origin minus pi by a minus 2 pi by a and minus 3 pi by a. ठीक है, minus pi by a इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट्स you have to consider 10 20 30 electron volts. This is K line, K space. एनर्जी क्या Eg, फॉरबिडन बैंड बोलते हैं इसको. ए एनर्जी क्या Eg, दिस इज अ फॉरबिडन बैंड. ठीक है, ऐसे डायग्राम आएंगे. ठीक है, this is a first Birla zones. First Birla zones. ठीक है, and second Birla zones ये वाली लाइन minus 2 pi by a to plus 2 pi by a means second energy of forbidden band. First allowed band this is the second allowed band and this is the first allowed band. ठीक है, it's a forbidden band means this is the first Birla zones and second Birla zones and यहाँ पे also this is the second Birla zones. ठीक है, means it's a diagram Birla zones for one dimensional lattice. ये one dimensional lattice के लिए हो गया. ठीक है, this is energy क्या Eg a to a this plus see you also remember that first Birla zones condition capital K is equal to plus minus pi by a and second Birla zones capital K is equal to plus minus 2 pi by a. ठीक है, Birla zones you have to remember that. The first dimension मोनोएटॉमिक लैटिस के लिए हो गया और सेकंड डायमेंशन लैटिस के लिए फिर अलग डायग्राम आती हो स्क्वायर टाइप. लेकिन ये हैज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंस. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी हैव टू टेक ऑन ब्रैक्स लॉ. 2-3 पॉइंट इस मिनट में कंप्लीट करें. ठीक है.